Mastering the phrase, be on your A game. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a popular English phrase, be on your A game. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and casual settings, so understanding it can really enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in. Be on your A game is an idiomatic expression in English. This phrase means to perform at one's best, to bring one's best effort or ability to a situation. The A in A game symbolizes the top or best effort, similar to how grades are often given in schools, with A being the top grade. This phrase is often used in contexts where high performance, skill, or focus is required. The exact origins of be on your A game are a bit unclear, but it's widely believed to have originated in the world of sports. Athletes are often expected to perform at their highest level during competitions, hence the term A game. Over time, this phrase has transcended beyond sports and is now used in various contexts, from business to everyday life. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Professional setting. We have a big client meeting tomorrow. Everyone needs to be on their A game. 2. Academic context. Final exams are coming up. It's time to be on your A game. 3. Personal life. I'm going on a date tonight, and I need to be on my A game. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to emphasize the need for excellent performance or effort. There are some variations of this phrase that you might encounter, such as bringing your A game. This means the same as being on your A game but is often used to describe the action of demonstrating one's best abilities. A game required. This is sometimes used in job descriptions or event invitations to indicate that high performance is expected. Understanding phrases like be on your A game can really polish your English and help you better express yourself in various situations. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in adding another phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Keep practicing, and don't forget to always bring your A game to your language learning journey. See you in the next video.